partner for this week? I know, let me just bring out my handy dandy Pokemans. What? I don't want a Pikachu, I want a Pikachu.
Hey.
Hello there, Pikachu.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm in.
Got any funny jokes before we send them off to see what's been happening this week?
What kind of salads do robots like?
I don't know.
The ones that have iceberg lettuce.
Alright, that was pretty good. Let's see what's going on around this week, you know?
Yeah.
It's week 4.
Yeah.
So, we're here to interview people. I'm Devin.
And I'm Ainsley.
And let's go see what Mort has been up to. First stop is programming. What's your name and what have you been doing this week?
I'm Vade. I'm on programming. This week we've been working on Autom code, encoders, and camera.
Nice work. Now let's go to design. So here we are at design, my very own home team.
So, what is your name and what have you been doing this week?
Hello, my first name is Mohammed, my last name is also Mohammed. We have been working on design reviews for the proposed design for the robot.
Okay, so our first stop on non-tech is business. How's business been booming, Kosha?
Business is always booming with this newsletter. We also started with positive entertainment and we're coming with a bang for the sponsors.
Nice work, keep it up. So basically, this week, the short answers is actually pulling up. We worked on the essay, and then we're planning a bunch of other outreach events and helping business be positive. Nice work. Metal shop, but what is your name and what have you done this week?
I'm Lance. This week we built the drive train and started constructing the elevator parts.
Okay, so now we're here with the electrical. So what is your name and what have you been doing this week?
I'm Megan, and this week we've been working on building our pneumatic system for the robot and wiring up all of our motors. Alright, good work. Alright, so as you can see, Mort's had a very busy week, and Ainsley's being extra safe by keeping on her safety glasses even when she doesn't need to. You can take this off now if you'd like. But, back to the anchors.
So, here we are.
Yeah.
End of week 4.
Yeah, going into week 5.
Yeah, things are going pretty smoothly this week.
I like to think so.
I mean, should we end it with a cringy joke?
I mean, what do robots call their fathers?
I don't know. What do they call them?
Data.
Get it? Data?
I think it's time.
This time?
It's time.
Alright. We'll catch you all next week. Be sure to come back. You know, we're always doing some magic here. We're going to go fight the gym leader now.